In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the inbuilt ad blocker on Opera. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do this, and it's actually very easy. The first step is launch Opera. As you can see, I launched Opera, and then go to the top right corner till you see this, the easy setup, and then scroll down till you see privacy and security. Here you can see block ads, and you can enable this. You can also enable block trackers. And now you don't have ads on your website. It's actually very easy. And if you even want more privacy, you can also turn on the VPN that's also built in. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.